If you want to block AnyDesk in Windows Firewall, this video will walk you through the quickest way to do it step by step. This is useful if you want to stop remote access, improve security, or simply make sure a remote support app cannot connect out from your computer. I'll show you exactly where to click, what settings to choose, and how to make sure the block applies properly. And if this tutorial helps, please take a moment to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the Start menu and search for Windows Defender Firewall. When it appears in the search results, open it. This will bring you to the Firewall settings area where you can manage network access rules on your PC. Once the Windows Defender Firewall window is open, look for Advanced Settings and click it. This is important because the Advanced section is where you can create custom inbound and outbound rules for specific programs. Now the Advanced Security window will open. On the left-hand side, click Outbound Rules. We're using Outbound Rules because this controls traffic leaving your computer, which is the key setting when you want to block a program like AnyDesk from connecting out to the internet. After that, look on the right side of the window and click New Rule. This starts the rule creation wizard. When the wizard opens, choose Program and then click Next. Selecting Program tells Windows that you want to block a specific application rather than a port, service, or custom rule. On the next screen, choose this program path, then click Browse. Now you need to locate the AnyDesk executable file. In many cases, AnyDesk is installed in C program files x86 AnyDesk, but depending on how it was installed, it may also be found in the app data local plan AnyDesk folder. If you don't see it immediately, take a moment to browse carefully through the folders until you find the anydesk.exe file. Once you select the correct executable, click Next. On the next screen, choose Block the connection. This is the setting that tells Windows Firewall to stop AnyDesk from communicating through the network. After that, you'll be asked which profiles the rule should apply to. Make sure all three are selected: domain, private, and public. This ensures the block works no matter what kind of network your PC is connected to. Click Next again and then give the rule a clear name, such as Block AnyDesk or AnyDesk Firewall Block. Naming it clearly makes it much easier to find later if you ever need to edit or delete it. Finally, click Finish to save the rule. At this point, AnyDesk should be blocked by Windows Firewall. If you want to be extra sure, you can repeat the same process under inbound rules as well, but for most cases, the outbound rule is the most important one. If you ever need to undo the change, simply go back into Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security, find the rule you created, and disable or delete it. And that's it. You've now blocked AnyDesk in the firewall using a simple custom outbound rule. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick computer tutorials.